Hello, TA artists!
There are just about 10 days left until the warm and joyful Christmas arrives. To celebrate this beautiful holiday, TensorArt has prepared a series of grand Christmas activities for everyone to enthusiastically participate in. To encourage all AI artists to join in and create exquisite Christmas images, we are going to share some stunning Christmas-themed checkpoints and LoRA models. With these models, you can effortlessly craft unique Christmas atmosphere artworks. Simply follow the steps in the videos, make some easy adjustments, and you'll get desirable images. Are you ready? Let's dive into this beautiful Christmas model showcase together. Kopak's Love XL is a heartwarming checkpoint that adds a touch of Christmas warmth to your creations. Inspired by the concept of family, this checkpoint provides a homely setting, as if the warm ambience of Christmas is permeating throughout. With this model, you can easily craft enchanting Christmas family scenes, infusing your artistic pieces with festive joy and coziness. Holiday Special 3D is a specially designed checkpoint model. Inspired by Christmas, it has the ability to create enchanting Christmas character designs and decorations. With this checkpoint, you can effortlessly generate images full of holiday vibes, blending the magic of AI with the wonders of Christmas. Introducing Christmas Critters, an SDXL LoRA model. This adorable model allows you to effortlessly generate charming little animals dressed in Christmas attire. Its magic adds a warm and beautiful Christmas atmosphere to your cute companions, letting you spend sweet holiday moments together. Warm Christmas Room is an SD 1.5 LoRA model. Centered around a Christmas feast, it presents a lavish banquet beneath the Christmas tree. The plump turkey and sumptuous dishes are all included, adding deliciousness and festive joy to your creations. Descent of the Heavenly Deity is an SD 1.5 LoRA model. It has the ability to generate beautiful Christmas angel and goddess figures, adding a touch of divine blessings to the arrival of Christmas. Are these exquisite Christmas-themed checkpoints and LoRA models making you eager to give it a try? Want to create equally stunning Christmas images? Don't worry, just follow the steps below. Firstly, open the official TensorArt website. Secondly, enter the name of the model you like in the search bar. Thirdly, locate your preferred model and click on it. Fourthly, click on Run, then click Generate. After all these steps have been done, all you need to do is to wait the magic to unfold. TensorArt will generate a Christmas masterpiece exclusively for you. That's all of today's sharing. If you enjoyed our content, please subscribe to our channel. We'll regularly share useful tips and exquisite models on our channel. Thanks for your watching.